Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Amanda. I am the designer of Totally Yarnsome. In today's vlog, we are going to be crocheting 10 baby geese. It's an order that I have. I done one to just see how the pattern would work up. And I also realized I didn't have enough eyes, so I had to wait on Amazon to deliver my eyes. So I like to work in a okay, my light quit working. I like to work in an assembly line, but on this first one we will see how long it takes me because the feet and the wings are worked up separate. This is a no-sew pattern, so we will see how long it takes me. This may be a two-day project because today is Easter. But let's get to work and let's see what we get done. I know we are about to leave, so let's try and get this done really fast. To be using Parfait Chunky in mustard and where's my white? Parfait Chunky white. These are, the feet are just like pulled through and tied in a knot on the other side. All this yarn barf everywhere. The only thing I hate pulling out of the center. I do have to say this new yarn, that Parfait that I have, seems to be a whole lot better. Which I have not worked in with Parfait Chunky in a while. I've been busy doing other stuff. This Goose was done out of the older yarn that I had. That is why my chair is covered. Yes.
Can you flip my glasses?
I will in just a second when I get done with this.
I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay. So I'm not going to get to finish this because we're going to have to go. I guess we'll just work on it as we go and see what we get done. Okay, so I only have 6 wings done and 6 feet. And it is 9:07. I did not take my yarn with me out to Easter, and I'm not gonna be able to crochet tomorrow on this because I do not want to take my stuff into the hospital. So it may be Wednesday before we can get this done. Hey guys, so I am finishing up the last baby goose. Remember we had 10 to do. I have 9 of them done. It has been 7, 8, 6 days, I'm not really sure. I've just been having to work on them here and there. So let's get this last one done and get this order finished. Okay guys, the 10th goose is finished. We have a total of 10 geese now. This has took me a little while on this order. Normally I can get stuff done pretty quick, but this order was in the midst of 4-H archery, 4-H shotgun, 4-H competition, and so much more stuff that was going on. Easter, my aunt went to the hospital, but they are finished. So if you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And if you would like to see anything else, just let me know. Thank you guys for hanging out.